Hi, welcome to Unit 3. We're going to talk about arrays and sets and dictionaries in this unit. In other words, Swift's collection types. But before we do that, I wanted to show you something that might help if your playgrounds are becoming unresponsive after a while. When we click on Get Started with the Playground, somehow the playground sometimes becomes unresponsive. In other words, it will either show the pinwheel cursor for a long period of time. It will say it's running, but no output is generated. What I've found is that if we create a playground for some reason with Get Started with the Playground and go through it with that process, sometimes the playgrounds become unresponsive. But if we do File, Menu, and then New Playground, and name the playground and create it that way, which appears to be doing exactly the same thing, most of the time the playground does not cease to respond. So I'm just going to create our first playground here, but I wanted to show you that this process most of the time results in better functionality than the process of going through the welcome menu. Thank you.